Aarogya Setu, the government's mobile app, has entered the 100 million users club. It was the fastest app in the world to have 50 million registered users just weeks after its launch on April 2nd. Now, as per the government, Aarogya Setu app has emerged as a powerful tool to curb the spread of coronavirus, as it has helped alert the authorities about more than 650 hotspots across the country and over 300 emerging hotspots which could have been missed otherwise. Now, the Aarogya Setu has helped the government with its twin objective. One, whom to test, and second, where to test more in its battle against COVID-19. Now, the government's decision to make the download of Aarogya Setu app mandatory, that is for all residents of the containment zones as well as for, say, public and private sector employees, that is really helping it grow at a fast pace. Now, how does the app work? Let's focus on that. The app uses Bluetooth-based contact tracing to determine if a user came in contact with an infected person that is within a distance of, say, 10 meters, and it uses the GPS to really find out where all the person went every 15 minutes. Now, the app also assesses your health based on the information that you provide to give you a risk score. The authorities may contact you to quarantine you if you are at risk and also provide you with medical interventions. Now, the app will be able to alert a user if he has come in contact with an infected person only if both have the app installed and their Bluetooth and GPS location is also on. That is the effectiveness that also depends on the number of users. Now, Niti Aayog in its statement has said that the ability to accurately forecast hotspot is a much needed breakthrough and the first of its kind in the world. Aarogya Setu is not just predicting hotspots, it is actually enabling prevention of hotspots. A UK-based data analytics company, Global Data, in its report in April had pointed out at how contact tracing apps were really helping out countries flatten the COVID-19 curve with timely detection and action. China launched an app early this year named Close Contact Detector. Accessible by scanning a QR code with the app really works on the same principle as Aarogya Setu and is also allows the people to identify when they are at risk of being infected. China has also made it actually mandatory for air travelers, and India may do the same too. Similarly, Corona 100M in South Korea alerted individuals by sending them notifications if they came in contact or in range of 100 meters of a COVID-19 patient. Now, other private tracking and mapping tools are also, such as wristbands, are also being used in South Korea. Now, Australia's COVID Safe app works on Bluetooth handshake and keeps the record of physical contacts of the past 21 days. Now, UK also launched the NHS tracking app very recently. It works on Bluetooth handshake and randomized IDs. Users are not required to share personal data until they test positive. It is for now just being used only in particular areas. At the same time, India's move to really make Aarogya Setu app mandatory has raised many privacy and surveillance concerns, and such as concerns over the leakage and misuse of data. Now, the government claims the app is foolproof and there are no chances of any data breach. The government says that the Bluetooth interaction data automatically gets deleted after 30 days. Also, the data of positive cases is stored for 60 days. Now, the location data from Aarogya Setu is stored on the centralized server in an encrypted format, and that's what the government has come out and said. It is also used either through the user's consent or once a person really tests positive, says the government. The app's source code is not available publicly as of now, which has also been questioned by privacy advocates. Now, through the source code, independent researchers can really test the functioning of any app. Now, there are indications from the government on this front as well, saying that the Aarogya Setu source code will also be made public in the near future for anyone to really test its functions. Now, in the absence of data protection laws in the country, concerns right now are being raised on the need for tight statutory safeguards over individual and business data.